Hello everyone. कैसी चल रही है तैयारी? This is another session of Love Thy RCs for you. I hope you all are ready. पेपर पेन लेकर के बैठ जाओ आप. और जहाँ तैयारी की बात करते हैं, I hope you all are kind of doing sessions from this series, from this playlist. Because as I mentioned earlier, this playlist is for people who are still struggling or people who are trying to lay a firm foundation in RC handling. So in most of these sessions, in fact, all the sessions of this playlist, you'll see me doing the whole hand holding thing. Okay, I'm showing you how to move along the passage, how to understand the questions, how to decode them, how to read the passage in a very nice, smart way. So do not take this series as if like kare to kare, nahi kare to chalega. Okay, every student of mine who is struggling with RCs should watch at least 15 to 20 episodes. मतलब at least बोल रही हूँ. Then things will start falling in place and you'll see my way of handling RCs. Again, I'm not saying it's my way or the highway. मर्जी है आपकी, आप जो भी apply करना चाहो. If this doesn't suit you, you can go back to the conventional way of handling it. But आप करके तो देखो एक बार ये. I'm sure it's going to benefit you because it'll save you a lot of time and consequently it's going to keep your confidence at an all-time high. Panic low, confidence high. So आज के सेशन में हमारे पास there's a nice topic अभी बताती हूँ मैं. First, this gospel. ये तो वही रहना है. Main idea. You have to be able to locate. If you're not able to locate the main idea and you're just reading the passage, you're doing it all wrong. So no matter how many RCs you do, it's not going to benefit you. You have to learn how to map the passage, that is joining the dots across the paragraphs. Then learning how to locate the important zones while you're reading your passage will help you understand the question setter's psyche. So कई जगह पे मैं आपको passages में बताती रहती हूँ. यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन सेट होगा, यहाँ पे see this is a very important point, यहाँ से देखो वो एक ना options वाला बनाएगा. Then types of questions you have to learn how to decode. So in my paid sessions, for the paid learners of course, I have shown you how to handle various types of questions. And those of you who have missed that session are requested to go back and check the recording. ये हमारे subscribers के लिए होता है. So अच्छा, उसके अलावा last point है यहाँ पर elimination techniques. Don't underestimate the power of simple elimination because that is what works in CAT and ZAT RCs. Of course GMAT में भी होता है, but चलो अभी हम यहाँ पे GMAT की तैयारी नहीं कर रहे. ठीक है, चलिए ये सब हो गया है. Topic, it's there on the sheet. Topic क्या है आपका? It's research institutions and strategic adaptation. अभी पता है ये topic कहना क्या चाह रहा है? It's like, I mean, first thing is you have to be able to understand the meaning of these words. Research institutions are what? The institutions that kind of go into in-depth study. They come up with innovations, right? Science में हो सकता है. It can even be in humanities. So they come up with innovations, but sometimes what happens is people are rewarded on the basis of what they came up with. ठीक है? We fail to understand or we overlook the importance of this thing called adaptation. Adaptation in the sense something must have happened over a long period of time. Okay, the system must have kind of adapted, readapted. The institutions must have adapted, readapted. So, you know, it was something that happened over a period of time and then the breakthrough happened as a result of that. What we tend to think is we overlook the adaptation part and we think, okay, you know, this innovation happened because this person woke up one fine day, just like Archimedes, and he was sitting in his bathtub and he got an epiphany. Or he was lying under the tree like Newton and he got an enlightenment point कि अच्छा apple गिरा. So he understood gravity. No, it doesn't happen that way. So this author is pointing at the importance of strategic adaptation. Adaptation is so important even in real life. वो है ना survival of the fittest. If we don't adapt to how the things change, we are very soon going to be obsolete. We are going to fall out of the race. राइट सो चलिए इतना आपको इंट्रोडक्शन काफी है, अभी देखते हैं पैसेज में क्या कह रहा है. जॉनरा इज फिलोसफी ओवरलैपिंग विद सोशियोलॉजी. लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी ऑफ कोर्स इज इजी टू मॉडरेट. ठीक है. Okay. Now this is the passage. Three paragraphs, then four more. Okay, seven paragraphs. All right. First thing is I'm going to try to locate the hero of the passage. How do I do that? Just watch me. Breakthroughs, okay. Extending approaches, all right. Methodology, mathematics, adaptation, okay. Exist, unquestioning or confidence, innovation, most unfortunate, okay. Policy, adaptation, okay. Adaptation, got it. Innovation, okay, got it. Just by glancing this much, I understand 2-3 things. Adaptation connected with innovation. Then also he's talking about something most unfortunate. Okay, so he is bringing in his point कि ये सही नहीं है, right? Next step is questions कैसे. Following from the passage, the author can be seen as deprecating the emphasis that has been placed on. If you don't know the meaning of deprecating, आप ये question कैसे answer करोगे? So deprecating is criticizing in a harsh way. So deprecating the emphasis that has been placed on. There is something that people something on which people place importance, and the author says that is not the right way of doing it. ठीक है? So ये हम देखेंगे पहले passage, उसके बाद आएंगे. Which of the following is consistent with the ideas expressed in the passage? True, 3 false, right? और ये जो पहला वाला है, most likely this would connect with the last paragraph, the conclusion of the author कि भाई क्या चीज, या तो first para या last para. Okay, then the author of the passage is most likely to support which of the following suggested research policy? Again based on conclusion, right? So one true and the others will be false. Now I'm writing true false here, that doesn't mean it's like true false ही literally ये पूछ रहा, no. It's like, I'm just trying to decode this question for you. I always write it on my sheet because otherwise I forget. मैं क्या ढूंढ रही हूँ, पैसेज पढ़ करके वापस आती हूँ, तब तक मैं भूल जाती हूँ. फॉल्स ढूंढना है, राइट ढूंढना है. भाई यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में पूछ सकता है ना, एक्सेप्ट पूछ सकता है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग द ऑथर ऑफ द पैसेज इज नॉट लाइकली टू सपोर्ट, पूछ सकता है ना. तो इसलिए मैं ये लिख लेती हूँ. दैट मेक्स माई वर्क इजी. सो आई हैव द शीट ऐसे, आई कीप रेफरिंग. अच्छा, most likely to support which of the following suggested research policy. So most likely बोले तो most likely, okay, this is, he's going to agree with something that will be true according to the passage. The fourth one is what? The author of the passage is most likely to support which one of the following statements? This is again conclusion se connected. So true, okay, false, false, false. So I can see here all the questions are ऐसे true false type है. राइट. सो इसमें कोई भी चूंकि स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट, स्पेसिफिक सेंटेंस, स्पेसिफिक पैरा, आई कैन नॉट डू दैट एक्स्ट्रा शॉर्टकट कि चलो आधा पैसेज पढ़ लिए, थोड़ा इधर उधर कर लिए. दैट डजंट मीन आई एम गोइंग टू रीड द एंटायर पैसेज वर्ड फॉर वर्ड बिकॉज इट्स अ लॉन्ग पैसेज. 4 and 3 7 पैराग्राफ्स. तो हाँ 7 है. अक्सर दे रहा है कैट 6 to 7 पैराग्राफ्स तो होता है. इट कैन बी एनीवेयर फ्रॉम 510 to 650 words. अब उसमें पैराग्राफ्स तो वो 6 भी कर सकता है, कभी 3 भी कर सकता है, राइट? ओके, चलिए. सो डू नॉट पे मच अटेंशन टू एंड डू नॉट ब्रेक योर हेड ओवर दीज थिंग्स. कितना पैराज है, इतना तो कैट नहीं दे रहा, इतना दे रहा है, ये मत सोचा करो. आप चलो काम करना है. सो व्हाट इज द पैसेज सेइंग? I will have to take out the main idea, and I know one thing for sure in this passage before we start. आप पढ़ मत लो जितनी देर मैं बोल रही हूं. एक चीज कंफर्म है, there is one point that the author is trying to drive home. How do I know this? When I check the flow initially, मैंने देखा most unfortunate या something something. So probably the flow of this passage will be that in the first para people say this, या ऐसा होता है, the general trend is this, but no, I don't agree with it, it should be done this way. And I know that this same thing will be repeated in all the paragraphs. ठीक है? तो ये तो मुझे समझ आ रहा है. और ये कैसे समझ आएगा? एक बार देख करके, ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस कर ली है मैंने, तो ये सब आप भी करोगे, आपको भी क्लियर हो जाएगा. चलो, ब्रेक थ्रूज क्रिएशन. अब ये फर्स्ट पैरा है, वी आर गोइंग टू रीड इट केयरफुली. समथिंग दैट आई कॉल स्कैन. ओके, ब्रेक थ्रूज, इनोवेशन. क्रिएशन ऑफ नॉवल सॉल्यूशंस, नई मीनिंग मालूम था, यहां दिया है क्रिएशन ऑफ नॉवल सॉल्यूशंस। अब नॉवल का भी मीनिंग नहीं मालूम है तो फिर आप कैट मत दो, या अगर दे रहे हो तो इंप्रूव कर लो वोकैबुलरी। Creation of novel solutions, extending existing approaches and enhancing applicability. Okay, 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 okay. All these inevitably belong to the toolkit of strategies through which modern research teams compete. Right? Teams keep competing for these innovation. It's समझने का क्या है? That's enough. Innovation is a prevalent commodity in academic circles. मेरा interest यहाँ पे है, not in the previous thing. वो तो बता रहा है what is innovation. Breakthrough and innovation, they are the same thing. Right? Yet it is arguably less prevalent than many assume. What is less prevalent? Ye commodity in academic circles, innovation. We think it is there everywhere and it's important. We frequently confuse innovation with what is actually adaptation. He's talking about two things now: innovation, adaptation. The moment I read this, I understand the author is focusing more on adaptation. He's going to suggest more about adaptation, right? The substantial and highly prominent output, positive word, substantial, highly prominent, adaptive work that was genuinely novel several years earlier when a single pioneer first introduced it. नहीं समझ आया, कोई बात नहीं, फिलहाल आप छोड़ दो। ओके अब वहां एग्जाम में या बाकी जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, फॉर एवरी सेंटेंस, फॉर एवरी पैरा, आई वोंट बी देयर टू एक्सप्लेन इट. So improve your vocabulary, and at the same time you should learn to pick the most important points from there instead of worrying over the entire sentence and I'm not able to understand it. Okay? Even if you improve your vocabulary in the next 6-7 months, you're not going to become a dictionary or Wikipedia or Shakespeare or anybody for that matter. Okay? So still you will come across sentences that you won't understand. Still you will come across passages that will be alien to you. I cannot eradicate that, right? Even you cannot eliminate that possibility. तो भाई यहाँ पे करना क्या है? वो chances को eradicate करने के पीछे भागने के बदले you have to learn how to be smart. So यहाँ पे we can see that this yet is important, arguably less prevalent than this. Confuse this. इतना तो समझ लो, he is focusing on adaptation. He likes adaptation. He's saying innovation पे सब लोग करते हैं. No, this is more important. Correct. What is adaptation? If there's a question, I'll come back to this and try to rephrase. Substantial and highly prominent, okay, genuinely novel, okay, something. Correct. What is the main idea of the passage? Have I gotten it so far? No, not exactly clear. यहाँ बस मुझे समझ आ रहा है, he likes this more. We shouldn't leave adaptation. People generally confuse this with this. But is that the main idea? वो मुझे पता चलेगा once I read the last para also. For now, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Basic mathematics reveals that adaptation exceeds innovation. ये देख रहे हो author का tone. Adaptation superior है. Okay. Basic mathematics reveals. He is giving this sentence to support his point. His point is here. Right. Initially, for every genuinely novel, okay, numerous adapters, okay, नहीं पढ़ना मुझे ये. Because in this para, he is giving you the importance of adapters and adaptation. Right, numerous adapters, no single research team. Okay. अब आपको यहाँ पे अगर लगेगा that if you skim the way I'm doing it, you're going to miss important points, please try to gain a little confidence over here. He is talking about adaptation exceeds innovation, the importance of adaptation and how it is superior to innovation. If there is a question connected with that, we can come and read that para. For now, you can just skim, that is do vertical reading. Genuine, no single research. Afford to be okay, innovative, fine, okay. I'll go to the last line. When a team enters the field with its adaptation simultaneously with other adapters, the risk is substantial indeed. राइट अभी यहाँ पे आपको नहीं समझ में आया, आपने सोचा अच्छा रिस्क तो हो रहा है. टीम एंटर्स द फील्ड विद इट्स अडेप्टेशन साइमल्टेनियसली विद अदर अडेप्टर्स, द रिस्क इज सब्सटैंशियल. कोई बात नहीं, रिस्क रख लो आप वो पॉइंट वहां पे. ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट सम रिस्क हियर एंड अडेप्टेशन हियर. ओके, एंड देन यू मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पैरा. अभी आप करते जाओ बस ये. Since we exist in an era of such unquestioning and frequently very warranted confidence in innovation's merits. Now he is again going back to his point that people focus on innovation, right? Innovation's merits. There can emerge an unbalanced reward structure. This is what he says. He's bringing in the demerits of focusing on innovation. Accolades and advancements go to clearly innovative researchers, appropriately so, but awareness of possible. अभी ये कितना neat para है. He says here, merits, praise, rewards, advancements go to whom? Innovative researchers. But, sorry, यहाँ से, but awareness of adverse consequences should be known to the people. अगले पैरा में क्या बताएगा? Obviously the adverse consequences of this, of what? Innovation को बाप समझना गलत है आपका, तो उसके हिसाब से adaptation को ले आओ. उससे ज्यादा अभी आपको नहीं समझ आया, कोई बात नहीं, still you know the flow of the passage, keep moving. Okay, this you should be able to do like within 2 minutes. इस तरह का पैसेज हो तो भी. The most unfortunate adverse effect, ये देखो, most जहां पे भी superlative है पैसेज में, it is more often than not a question pocket. Creating an environment researchers okay perceived as inferior, less valuable. बस, you don't need to read everything उस पैरा का आगे word for word. Taking cues, all right, systematically avoid, okay. This line is so important. Focus on that instead of reading the whole para and worrying over it. Okay, regularly propose this, get perceived as inferior or less valuable. तो जो researchers ये लेके आते हैं, they don't focus on only innovation, they focus on adaptive approaches. They are looked upon as inferior and less valuable. जैसे भाई आपका CAT में भी है ना, educators who come forward in VARC and they just try to tell you 500 RC passages कर लो, 1000 कर लो, ये मैं दे रहा हूं एक बना करके इतना, you know, this is a compilation, ये कर लिए तो आपका निकल जाएगा CAT. They are looked upon as like, you know, glorious. वहीं पे people like me come into the picture and they say, instead of focusing only on RC passage and solving, focus on reading and vocabulary, build it up. तो लोग हमारे पे शक करेंगे कि इसको तो कुछ आता नहीं है, बच्चों को गुमराह कर रही है, स्किमिंग स्किपिंग करवा रही है, क्यों करवा रही है, ये तो गलत करवा रही है. Right? So what I'm trying to say here is the focus here is on innovation. Okay, वही होता है हमारे VRC में, focus is on RC solving, वही होता है. I try to bring in some change, so I'm looked upon as inferior. ऐसा हो सकता है community में, right? Okay. Perceived as inferior or less valuable. Taking cues from the reward structure, ये जो भी है उसी को explain किया है. Therefore, an explicit policy of supporting adaptation would have the benefit. अब नहीं समझ आ रहा, टेंशन मत लो. Not only but also, technique है ये, ठीक है. An explicit policy, from here I know he is giving some suggestion. Got it? So explicit policy of supporting adaptation, उसी organized manner में, the way you organize innovation. Initiating this, but also of communicating to the entire institution, innovators, strategic adapters. Okay, ठीक है. This para is so easy to understand. आपने एक सेकंड में उसको देख लिया. Right? It makes sense, therefore, to have equally clear and carefully developed planning. Okay, now I'll give you a gyan point here. This para onwards, it's going to be all suggestion. Before that, there is the problem. यहाँ पे the most unfortunate है. So it's so clear. Even if I don't read this para, let's say, I just skim, it won't harm me. क्योंकि मुझे पता है this is connected to solution, suggestion. Then I'll go to the last para and read it carefully. इस पैरा को देख लेते हैं. डेवलप्ड प्लानिंग, यही बोला है ना, यहाँ भी बोला है. ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, डेवलप्ड प्लानिंग, मिमिक, अनयूजुअल, ओके, टेक फॉर एग्जांपल, फील. I'll keep this in mind. Risk management. There can be a question. Why does the author introduce risk management? Right? So यहाँ पे आके देख लेंगे. अभी क्यों जानना है मुझे? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Read the last para carefully and then move on to the questions. Nevertheless, perhaps it's an overstatement to say that innovation is the false ideal and an error to say that adaptation is the new ideal. You cannot do away with either. Both are needed. But to operate imbalanced, as if innovation were an ideal, something would be an even greater error. So he says in the end, I'm not saying that you should get rid of innovation. It's a false ideal and adaptation is the true ideal. I'm not saying that. But he says you cannot have that imbalanced thing, right? So realistic appreciation, especially unfortunate realistic appreciation, यहाँ छोड़ दो. holistic appreciation of the productive power of more systematic ये वो. So he says कि ये करके क्या फायदा? You know, he's saying, I'm not saying that this is what is needed. Right? So chalo, I'm going to take you over to the questions now. The passage is very clear, the flow is very easy. ठीक है? Breakthroughs ये सब उसने बताया है शुरू से, and then he talks about like the same point has been repeated in every paragraph. Correct? And then the last 3 paragraphs talk about the suggestion part. Right? चलिए. So first question. Following from the passage, the author can be seen as deprecating the emphasis that has been placed on innovation. But what if innovation is given in all 4 options? तो क्या करोगे आप? Innovators at the expense of adapters means adapters को पीछे करके innovators को superior बताया गया है, ये कह रहा है. Adaptation at the expense of adapters? Definitely not this. Innovators तो चाहिए ही चाहिए आंसर में. Both innovators and adapters? No. Deprecating the emphasis that has been placed on, obviously innovators. Risk avoidance on part of the adapters. I'm left with 1 and 4. So emphasis that has been placed on, you can go back and see, less prevalent, confused with this, the substantial and this. Obviously he's talking about innovators and how much people have emphasized on that. Even in the last para he says the same thing. So does he say emphasis has been placed on risk avoidance on part of this? This is not what he's deprecating. He may have mentioned it somewhere, but not what exactly he's deprecating. Deprecating is criticizing. Yahan dekho. Such a policy. So he says it makes sense to have equally clear for innovators and this. Same organized manner जो कि innovators को दे रहे हो, उसी तरह adapters को. So risk taking is not exactly what he's deprecating. So risk avoidance eliminated. This is your answer. Very often CAT gives you like, you know, one question as part of a passage which is like so moderate that if your main idea is clear, if your flow is clear, you can easily mark that. Keep an eye out for such questions. These are what we call low-hanging fruits. But ये low-hanging fruits, you know, actually blow up in your face if you do not know the main idea. इसलिए मैं बार-बार बोल रही हूँ, main idea निकाल लिया करो. First para के बाद just pause a little bit. Try to understand what he's talking about. When you're done reading the passage, try to retrace the paragraphs and say कि अच्छा flow इसका ऐसा है. Question number 2, चलिए. Which of the following is consistent with the ideas expressed in the passage? इसमें TFFF है, TFF, हाँ तीनों में ऐसे ही है, चलो कोई भी कर लेंगे. There is no such person as a strategic adapter. Strategic adapter. No such person. Remember, I'm looking for 3 options with traps. इसमें बहुत आसान हो जाता है काम if there are some traps given. So we are going to see इसमें है कि नहीं है. Adaptation is truly the new ideal. ये तो मुझे trap ऐसा दिखा, red flag. Adaptation is truly the new ideal. If you had read the last paragraph carefully, you would know that adaptation is not the true ideal. He's not saying that adaptation is the true ideal and innovation is the false ideal. So again a gyan point here. The last paragraph is very often a question pocket. ठीक है, छोटा हो खासकर तो ध्यान से पढ़ लेना. If it's a big one, read the first 2 lines and the last 3 lines of the last paragraph. Question pocket होता ही होता है. So here adaptation is the true ideal. He says no no no. मैंने ये तो नहीं कहा कि हाँ adaptation is the true ideal और वो false ideal है. So we can eliminate this safely. Okay, इसको eliminate कर दिया मैंने. Now the next one. Advancements are given only to the innovators. Okay. So only, that is again a trap word, right? Advancements only to the innovators. Which of the following is consistent with the ideas expressed in the passage? What are advancements? Support, monetary advancements can be, है ना? ये हम देखेंगे, जबकि we'll have to go and check, जबकि only जो है वो extreme है. But isn't the passage talking about this, that partiality is done or all the chances are given to innovators? Fourth पढ़ लो पहले. A modern research team should operate like a toolkit. A modern research team operate like a toolkit. Okay, चलो ये toolkit वाला type ले लेते हैं. Only to the innovators advancements है कि नहीं? देखते हैं चल के. Okay, यहाँ चलिए. So here, most unfortunate, maybe creating an environment where researchers who regularly propose get perceived as somehow inferior or less valuable. मैंने आपको बोला था कि wherever there is this extreme superlative वाला in the passage, most, best, कुछ इस तरह से, please pay attention to that. वो connected होगा ही कोई question से. Taking cues from the reward structure, researchers may then systematically avoid championing adaptive methodologies. Researchers क्या करेंगे? They will see this कि ओहो अच्छा, innovation करूंगा तो मुझे reward मिलेगा. Adaptation की तरफ जाऊंगा तो मुझे तो नहीं मिलेगा. So what do they do then? They may systematically avoid supporting adaptive methodologies or promoting adaptive methodologies. Why? Because उनको advancements मिलता ही नहीं है. Right? This is exactly what that option is saying. We infer from there. ठीक है? Advancements are given only to the innovators, not to the adapters. This is true. Correct? A modern research team should operate like a toolkit. Modern research team. Now, supporting okay, benefit all right, should operate like a toolkit है, तो वो हम यहाँ से भी suggestions के portion में से उठा सकते हैं. Let's check here. Develop planning for strategic adaptation, planning innovation may seem unusual, okay, compare it with what we already, field of risk management, policy. So in these 3 paragraphs where he's talking about how it should be given, like, how everything should be balanced and how even adaptation should be considered important, I don't think a research team ka operating as a toolkit is given. You can even check here. Research team wala, ठीक है, academic circles and implementations and all, adapter, okay, risks. So मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर मान लो कहीं पे इसने mention किया भी होगा toolkit, that may be in passing. और ये options generally जो set किए जाते हैं ना इस तरह के toolkit वाला, ये toolkit even if it is mentioned somewhere just like कोई पैरा में इस तरह से like a micro point, a narrow thread जो कहते हैं, तो वो लेकर के यहाँ दिया जाता है as a trap. This is what we call attractive word trap. ये आप मेरे साथ process of elimination में पढ़ोगे. ठीक है? So a modern research team should operate like a toolkit, not supported by the passage. So this is the one that is true. This should be your answer. Okay, next. The author of the passage is most likely to support which of the following suggested research policy? Okay. Encouraging both innovation and strategic adaptation. This is what he says in the last para. You can just go and reread the last para. That is the conclusion, right? A hedging policy in connection with institutional demands. Why would he go with this? जब ये दिया हुआ है, hedging policy, institutional demands, this is the trap. Practices among large risk management firms. Large risk management firms, I'll take you back and I'll show you one point here. यहाँ, ये देखो. Strategic adaptation, ये novelty of this may seem unusual and this, it is useful to compare, okay, field of risk management. The rationale and usefulness of such a policy is no more novel than is the rationale of contingency planning. So, by contingency planning is more connected with adaptability. और ये जो आपका है risk management है, this is more connected with maybe innovation. So he's saying दोनों को equal मिलना चाहिए importance, या दोनों को importance मिलना चाहिए. So यहाँ पे like in the end he doesn't say anything as such that big firms या कुछ इस तरह से ये practices among, यहाँ बोला है suggested, okay, likely to support practices among large risk management firms. Why would he? He says risk management भी उतना ही novel है जितना कि contingency planning है. So he is not going to support this. Partial नहीं होगा, eliminated. ये institutional demands की वजह से this is eliminated. Innovation to the exclusion of adaptation. I'm left with 1 and 4. क्या है difference दोनों में? Innovation to the exclusion of adaptation. Would he suggest exclude adaptation? That goes against the passage. So this is your answer, right? Again, this connects with the main idea. This connects with the conclusion, right? ठीक है? And the last one. The author of the passage is most likely to support which one of the following statements? Again, 1 true and 3 false. By now we know so much from the passage. We can first read the options and then go back if needed, right? Innovation is more effective than adaptation as a means of advancing research. Innovation. This is opposite of what is given in the passage. Very often you get such traps. Like, one option will give you opposite of what is given in the passage. Eliminated. Adaptation is more effective than innovation as a means of advancing research. Again, this can be faulty comparison. Adaptation is more effective than this as this. Not sure, I'll keep this. Adaptation का positive बोल रहा है इसलिए बस रख रही हूँ. Two institutions can be equally successful even if one emphasizes innovation and the other adaptation. Risk management and contingency planning वाला option जो अभी हमने पढ़ा, based on that this is eliminated. Equally successful even if one emphasizes innovation and the other adaptation. Innovation को तो he's kind of bringing down कि उसको इतना hype मत दो. The advantages of innovation are recognized by few institutions today. Few का मतलब होता है ना के बराबर, almost nil. So the passage says that is the trend. They recognize innovation. The advantages of innovation are recognized by few innovations today. No, the advantages of innovation are recognized by many. Like overall, that's the trend. And that's why the author is trying to say go slow. So this is eliminated. This is what I'm left with. What does it say? Adaptation is more effective than innovation as a means of advancing research. Now, what I'll do is I'll go back to the research wala thing. Yahan pe he says, as a means of advancing research. Has he said something like that over here? Explicit policy, organized manner, okay. But also of communicating to the entire institution that while they are valued, so are this, legitimize this. Equally clear and this for strategic adaptation in this. While the novelty may make it seem unusual कि नया नया आप ये कहाँ से कोई बात निकाल के ला रहे हो, somewhat theoretical, what we already practice, okay. And then he says here, read the last para carefully. Nevertheless, he says, I will not say innovation is the false ideal, but to operate imbalanced, as if innovation were an ideal, especially at the unfortunate expense of this, more systematic adaptation, would be an even greater error. So if you focus on innovation, it would be a greater error. But bring in adaptation, this is going to be the more balanced thing, ठीक है? And यहाँ इसने बोला है, warranted confidence in innovation's merits. They can emerge in more dedicated and unbalanced reward structure. So he says by bringing this into the picture, ye dekho, researchers, accolades in this are given to researchers, but awareness of possible adverse consequences. And then in this para, he talks about how people would not want to champion adaptive methodologies because they know कि भाई ये हमारे लिए ना हमको इसमें तो reward नहीं मिलेगा if I go for this. So what this option says here is it is more effective as a means of advancing research means if we include that and give it importance, researchers would at least champion this as well, and this is going to create the balance. So this is good. It goes with the tone of the passage. ठीक है? We are done with all the 4. Yep. Hope all the explanations are clear. Elimination process धीरे धीरे strong करना है आपको. I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you.